Hi guys, it's me here, Brother D. I decided to make a little video to show you guys how to add images from PhotoPin to our blogs. I felt like making this video because a couple people had asked me about how to do it, and I had a quick minute, so I figured I would just go through and show you, and hopefully this turns out alright. So, first thing you got to do is come here to PhotoPin. It's photopin.com. Now, type something you're looking for. Let's do church, and brings up images. Now these are mostly in the copyright commons. See here, license type, non-commercial, commercial, set all that stuff you want. Now what's important to remember here with PhotoPin is a couple things. First one is right up here. See this little itty-bitty text? It says sponsored images. Between here and this break line are sponsored images. And so it's like, oh look, here's a pretty image, let's get it. So we click on it. Oh, takes us to Shutterstock, and they want us to pay. That's not gonna happen. I'm a poor monk, and well, you know, you guys are teachers, so yeah, that's not gonna happen. So we come back here to PhotoPin. So again, sponsored images from Shutterstock are from sponsored images here, from this break line to this break line. So yeah, we want to avoid those. But let's scroll down. Let's look for something we like. Let's look for something we like. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, this looks pretty. Let's preview it. Now you always want to preview them because what you see is not always what you get. You see here, this image here? See how it looks when it's all big? That's all we get as a thumbnail. You know, the thumbnails on here are really severely cropped a lot of the time. But so we like it, so let's get the photo. Click get the photo. Comes up. You got all your options from itty bitty square size up to a very large size. Usually, if the image is smaller, it's going to have smaller options. You know, I like to download a medium or a larger medium because it gives us a little play yet without being huge. So we click download. Now before we go anywhere, this is a very important step which makes PhotoPin better than the other sites, even though its selection is limited. See all this crazy HTML text? Yeah, we want that. So there's a couple ways you can get it. You can select it like this, but you need every little itty bitty character, every little one. So I like to do a Control A on a PC and copy it all. Yeah, it selects it all. Then we click copy. So now we can close this out. We need that code later, so don't copy and paste anything else until we deal with that code. So we come up here to our downloads, and we come to this. I always like to rename the image so that I can find it quickly. It's church for demo. Now we go to our WordPress. We go to a blog that we're working on, whatever we need to do, and you know, we're here in our visual mode, starting visual. So this is where you do most of your work without having to do all the HTML coding yourself, all that happy stuff. Now click add media. It's very important. You want to do that. Again, add media, because that's what we want to add. Now it's not here, it's not in our library, so we got to upload it. Click your upload. Click select files. There's our image, church for demo, and you click open. Now it downloads. Now over here you have a bunch of options. You can edit the image, you can delete it, you can do all kinds of stuff. Caption it, change the title, change the alignment. You can do all kinds of stuff. Now I recommend on everything at least doing an alt text so that, you know, somebody using a web page reader actually has some idea of what's going on. Now this is a very bad label for it, but this is just a demo. So click insert. And then there's our picture. Now I said medium because with medium you got enough detail that you can do this. You can play with it. You can make it bigger. Scroll down. Scroll too far. Make it bigger. Make it smaller. Do whatever. Left, center, left, center, right, anything you want. So let's go with that size, and let's center it. Now here's where PhotoPin excels. Again, its options are very limited compared to something like Google Images, with then, going into your advanced settings like we were shown in class and all that stuff to get ones that you can use. What makes PhotoPin awesome is you go into your HTML code, your text option on your WordPress. Go to the bottom, hit enter a few times, and then you paste it. Paste that HTML code we copied from PhotoPin. Here, see, photo credit. This is the stuff we had before. That big long thing we copied from PhotoPin. We enter that here in the text section at the bottom of our page. And look what it does. How cool is that? We have our photo credit citation right in there, with all the working links, all the happiness that keep people angry, keep people from getting angry at us, and saying, "Oh, you're stealing my copyright." Do. So this is awesome. It makes it almost foolproof on how to, insert your image and give it proper citation. Now again, you got to remember the selection's limited, but you sacrifice that for the convenience. Because you can just always, right here in the text option, you enter your stuff and it's all right there for you. And that's it. Happy posting, guys. Hope this helps. God bless. Take care.